This is my PGYTECH OneMo Backpack. I've been using it for a little over a year, and I've gotten a lot of good use out of it. And it's truly been able to help me carry my gear to places that I want to see and help me capture moments in my life that are important to me. It has customizable storage compartments. Using the DIY dividers, the main compartment can be arranged in any configuration to fit your travel needs, even if they change. And the main bag has soft cushioning with the mesh design and air tunnels, making it both comfortable, wearable, and breathable. And it's also waterproof and has wear-resistant fabrics. It's easy to clean, waterproof zippers, and it comes with a built-in rain cover. The compressible storage space in the front of the backpack accommodates photography equipment or your daily necessities like bug spray, also clothes or sleeping gears, etc. It has side compartments to make it easy for you to access your gear. With one zip, you can pull your camera out of the bag and be ready to take photos. It has a safe pocket for your passport and your wallets to keep your valuables where they belong. There are 3 dedicated pockets for your camera batteries with charge level indicators so that you will never grab a dead battery again. It also has a compartment that will hold up to a 15-inch laptop. It also comes with a very handy carry bag that can be stored right in the backpack and accessed through a zippered compartment on the sides for easy access without having to open up the entire backpack. It can carry an extra camera or a drone, and it has a lot of space and zippered compartments to carry extra accessories like ND filters, SD cards, business cards, etc. It is a very handy bag. All in all, if you take in consideration the expandable compartments, quick side openings, the built-in pouch, the DIY dividers, the 35-liter maximum storage capacity, the fact that it's rain resistant and comfortable to wear, makes it a tough backpack to beat. I'm Scott, and I recommend the PGYTECH OneMo Camera Backpack.